How to download Zee5 app. So if you want to download Zee5 app, then first of all you can check your internet connection, and after checking that you can simply tap on Play Store, open up your Play Store application and go for the search bar, which is on the upper side, and you can simply search for Zee5, and here you will have this application, right? So you can simply tap on that application, and if you want to download this application, then you can simply tap on install, and it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after installing, you can simply tap on open, which is on the right side, and now you can sign up to your account or log into your account and use your Zee5 app. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.